Hello, Adam Kopeć, Excel lover from Poland. Today we're gonna talk about COUNTA function. What she counts? She counts almost everything. So she counts formula result. She counts number written as text. She counts dates and time. She counts logical values. She counts numbers. She counts errors. And she counts even single numbers values that we put as an argument to count a function, so it's still counting. And when we write an array, so let's say 1, 2, 3 and a, so I have written array that has 4 elements. Doesn't matter how many columns, rows this array has, it's important how many elements there are. So we have 4 elements, one single value and a range of 2 cells that have numbers. So COUNTA function counts all of the elements, so it should return 7. Okay, and what COUNTA function don't count? She don't count empty cells, but really empty cells. So A14 cells is really empty, but B14 cell isn't really empty. It has formula that returns an empty text string, and COUNTA function also counts an empty text strings. And even if formula returns value from an empty cell, so B15 is really empty cell, COUNTA function will count this cell because she has a formula. And when we delete this cell B14 have something, and when we delete this formula, then COUNTA function had return 0 because here are 2 empty cells. Control Z. So summarizing, COUNTA function counts everything except empty cells.